Hey y'all, Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. Just a real quick video. I have been doing a lot of Bible journaling, and this is my entry for today. I wanted to use Free as a Bird stamp set, and so thanks to my friend Donna, I had asked her to help me with my entry for today, and she helped me find my verse for today, and this was the verse. It was from Psalms 104:12, the whole verse in the Bible. And this is not the King James version. I don't have my King James Bible sitting here with me at the moment. It's on the other side of the room there. But in this one, it says here, "The birds nest beside the streams and sing among the branches of the trees." And then I just put part of it here where it says, "The birds sing among the trees." And I used the birds and some of the flowers to do this, and then I went over it more with some black pens, and I colored it all in with the watercolor pencils from Stampin'Up, and then the watercolor pens. And before I did that, I did use the clear gesso so it wouldn't go through or anything. So that's all I did, just real quick. So if you like this, please remember to give me a thumbs up, please share, and please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified for more videos. And I'll keep trying to share these with you as I've been entering them, because yeah, I've been working in my Bible a lot, and I've got more entries. I'll try to keep sharing them the best I can. And I thank y'all for watching, and have a blessed day.